Well, good morning, everybody. Down in the woods this morning. I've up from my 360 stand. Shot my deer. I don't know. Right there, blood trail. From here to right there, I don't know, maybe less than 60 feet away. He ran right over here. I dropped that hammer like 30-30. He jumped like hell. He died right over here. That's the first deer I've ever had run at that 30-30. I want to see what old Denton got this morning. I froze my ass off this morning, but I was determined I was going to smoke the first buck I seen come by. Right there he is. He's not a big deer, but 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 point buck. What I got this morning. Y'all take care. Be safe.